Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga, and today I want to show you the wear and tear of my Yves Saint Laurent bag that I already had an unboxing and was video with some outfits of it and review, and you can find them all in this channel. I will also put some links somewhere that you can see it, and today it will be the video of the wear and tear after half of the year of wear of this bag, and the information that I am actually going to sell it. Yeah, I think so. If you are interested, you can find this information in the end of the video. So okay, we will start with the bag. First of all, this is a bag. This is Yves Saint Laurent Medium Sunset Bag. It's a calfskin. It's very soft, it's nice to touch. It's 20 centimeters here and tall like 16 centimeters I think, and the width is like 9 centimeters. It's a good size, it's not too small, not too big. It's exactly perfect for me. I am a petite, 57 centimeters tall, so this bag is perfect for me. And when I bought it half a year ago, I really was in much love with it, and I must say that I still like it, yeah. But yeah, I will start to tell you the review about the quality of the bag. So the bag is from calfskin. You can see it closer. It's just the skin is very good condition. It's no sides of the use, it's no problems. The corners, I will show you everything. The corners are perfect. It's like nothing can happen with it. I used it for traveling, I walked with it in winter, in summer, in spring, in warmth, and you can see that it has almost no wear and tear, no problems, no sides of use, and it's kind of condition like it's a new one. After all these months, I bought it in last February 2019, and now is November 2019, so it's almost a year of this bag, and nothing happens to this bag. As you know, you can wear it in the long stripe like a crossbody and two chains. And yeah, I must say that I probably wear 50-50. It's quite convenient, both variants for me. And inside also will show you everything is good. Nothing happens with it. If you want to see what can fit to this bag, you can also check one of my previous videos about it. So yes, and these bags I bought on official site of Saint Laurent, and I have all the receipts of it. I have a box. Also, this bag goes with the dust bag, so I keep it always in the dust bag because I want it to save it for longer. I have it like that standing in my wardrobe. And also I have a box. The box looks like that. It's completely new, and inside of the box there is another dust bag, just the white, just extra, and some stripes from Yves Saint Laurent, and a lot of documents and cards. There is a small envelope with several cards and stickers from Yves Saint Laurent, and this is a receipt. Also, I have this one more. I have a letter from their site with my name and the price. It costed 1,790 euros. You can see the price on their official site also, and it was the envelope with some sticker if I want to return it. So everything this I have for a bag. Like, the question is that why I want to sell it, because I was always dreaming about Chanel bag, but when I bought this bag, I thought that Actually, I didn't believe that I will ever buy the Chanel bag because it was so expensive. It seemed to be, but now I'm thinking and thinking more and more, and I'm like, I want to buy Chanel bag anyway. So yes, then I understand that I will not use two of the bags, especially if I buy the black Chanel. This, I think the best color for Chanel is black, because then you can take care about it easier, and especially if it's vintage, which I'm looking for. I want to buy or vintage Chanel with golden hardware, or maybe the new one, if I can afford it. So they will be similar with this bag, also black and golden hardware. So yeah, for me it will be two similar bags, and I will not have time to use all of them, both of them. So I would prefer maybe in future to buy Yves Saint Laurent in another color. So that makes me think that it's quite a lot of money just to stay in my wardrobe and wait. And I want to have something that I use every day. So if I choose Chanel bag, then I will want somebody to have this Yves Saint Laurent after me and love it instead of me. Yeah, this is a story about it, and but it's really dear to me. It's really no fault with this. It's really like new, and it's good. It's not so heavy. It's more heavy than Chanel bags, but it's not like extremely heavy. I know that the same sunset bags with patent leather, they are more heavy than this then. And you can use it in winter, in summer, in the day, in the night. It fits to everything. You can wear it with jeans and sneakers, and with elegant dress, and with black suit, and with whatever you want. I already said that in my videos that it's perfect for everything. So that's the story why I want to sell it, and then I will sell it for like 200 euros cheaper than an official site. I think it's a good price for the bag, which is only half of a year old, and it's almost like new. And if you're interested, you can write me the comments, or directly to my Instagram in direct messages, and we can discuss the shipping, and maybe I can make some small discount also, if you will be quick. I don't know if it's the last video with my Yves Saint Laurent or not, or I don't know, guys, what should I do? I'm actually still not sure if I want to sell it. I also will probably put it to Vestiaire Collective, but I know that they have very high commissions, so I know that I will have to lose some money, and the buyer will also eventually lose some money, so it's better to sell it directly. I also attend some groups in Facebook, and I'm searching for bags there, and I'm going to sell there without any commissions. So yes, that was the story about my Yves Saint Laurent small cutie. No, it's not small, it's medium cutie. Yeah, write me. How do you think? Should I leave it, or should I keep it, or should I sell it? I mean, do you like it, and what do you recommend to me? How do you think? Okay, guys, and thank you for watching. It's always pleasant to communicate with you in commenters, and thank you for your support. Subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye bye.